Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining. It's a pleasure to be here on behalf of Kalp Studio as one of the sponsors for the Conflux SummerFest. And it's really good to see so many developers taking part and keeping the Web3 community and the culture up and running. I'm pretty much sure that people here are developing awesome things. So, just for keeping this hackathon alive and electric and providing you people an opportunity to look and learn something new every day, so I we decided that we will be conducting this workshop. So I wanted to give you a quick overview or a practical way of displaying what Culp Studio is, so that you can also have a quick gist and understanding around it. And maybe let's say if you're developing things just not just because of this hackathon, and maybe for future, maybe you can give it a shot, because we also see this as an opportunity where amazing developers like you all are testing the product and giving us the important feedbacks that are needed from time to time. Right. So, just to get things started, I would want to give you a brief gist about Culp Studio and what we are trying to do. So, basically, it's a Web3 development, decentralized application development platform that helps you build, manage, and scale your blockchain applications to life. Right. So, here we are trying to give users and developers a low code platform that will help you accelerate your Web3 projects, be it on any blockchain, be it Ethereum, be it Polygon, and other L2 based blockchain. So, the main motive is to keep up the awesome blockchain developers and providing them a platform that helps in scaling their ideas. So once we'll go to portal.culp.studio, this is where we will be able to access the platform. So that's how the platform looks like. Yeah. So this is the dashboard. You can see it's we provide you the entire suite for blockchain development, right? So we have the wallet functionality where we give you all kind of wallets that are available, be it custodial, be it self custodial, or be it MPC wallet. That basically helps you. You can easily integrate into your applications. So, and also, like, we have the major products that we have is the KS wallet, as I mentioned about the wallet functionality that we have, which we will be seeing later as the session progresses. And we have the Culp Instant Deployer. So what Culp Instant Deployer basically is it's a gateway where you can easily deploy your smart contracts without you needing any CLIs or SDKs, and bring it to life and easily deploy it on the blockchains, on your favorite blockchains, where you can use where you want to implement and execute your ideas. And we have the API gateway, where we can, once you have the deployed smart contract, and once if you have your front end ready, you want to interact with it, you can toggle with it, and you can easily generate the endpoints without you taking care of the coding part, and you can easily paste the endpoints and interact with the deployed smart contract on the blockchain that you have. And we have the Culp function, where you can automate your smart contract executions with time after time, and basically event and API based triggers, both on chain and off chain. So I'll just give you a quick walkthrough. So let's say once we have accessed the dashboard, you would have to create your account. It's basically very much simple. You have to add your ID, mails, and all, and you will be verified, and you can easily access the dashboard, right? So let's say first, like, if we are going for a from a developer centric approach, we will be needing the wallets, right? The basic and foremost thing that is required for us to enter the world of blockchain is you having a wallet, right? So I'll just go to the KS wallet section, and yeah. So this is how the dashboard looks like. It basically shows you if you have created a wallet or have a wallet connected, right? So since I would want you to show how you can create and connect your wallet, I'll just walk you through the entire process. So we'll go and click on create new wallet. So as I mentioned, we have all kinds of wallets: self custody wallet, a custodial wallet, and an MPC wallet, right? So Self custody, I think most of the people here are Web3 oriented and they're good developers, so they have the understanding of what each kind of wallet does, right? Let's check for now for quick us being not be obligated to use the seed phrase, so we are going to avoid self custody's demo here, right? And we'll just check for custodial wallet here. So we'll just connect custodial wallet and click on continue. So this is where you enter towards the spectrum of creating the wallet. So where here we have integrated major blockchains that we have, Ethereum based. We have Binance, Scroll, Zkissing, Mantle, Blast, Celo, and Polygon Ethereum as well, right? So let's just uh, start for a quick demo purposes. Let's just start with Ethereum as the blockchain, and we have both mainnet as the network and testnet network as well. For testnet, we are supporting Sepolia, right? So for testing purposes, let's just choose Sepolia testnet as our network. So once we have, you know, selected block Ethereum as a blockchain and network as testnet. So we'll go and continue. And since like it's a custodial, wallet, there is always an interference of third party here. So far we are supporting Kalp Studio as the sole provider, and we are coming up with the integrations of Coinbase Wallet, Gemini Wallet, Binance Wallet, etc. as the prototype approaches further. Right. So we'll click on continue and wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, there you go. You can see that the wallet has been created successfully, and you would be having the public keys and everything with you. So once we have the wallet connected, we can created. We can connect it, and you can see once we sorry, just show you again. Once we click on connect wallet, we have the entire suite where depending on the wallet that we have, we can easily connect it. So let's say the recent wallet that we created was a custodial Sepolia testnet wallet based on Ethereum. And you can see we can easily connect it, right? So you would be having initially as 0th as your Sepolia testnet. You can get it recharged from different providers. Right. So now that we have the wallet connected, so you can see we have the connect widget functionality, right? Let's say you want to use Culp Studio's SDKs to integrate the wallet functionality onto your apps, the front end that you have. So you can customize depending on the use case and the dependencies you have. So you can choose what kind of wallet you would want, right? And what kind of social credentials you would want for your wallet to function with, and the blockchain that you would want. It can be Ethereum, it can be Polygon, and we also have our L1 blockchain, which is called BLT, right? But since like people here are more inclined towards developing on Ethereum, you can choose Ethereum as well, and you can customize the button. And once you apply the changes, whatever the customizations you have done, you can easily take this code out and integrate into your applications and get it to life, right? Uh, so that was a brief gist about the how you can create the wallet and integrate it into your applications, right? So next, like let's say we have the wallet created and we have, let's say, integrated the wallet and all, and we have the smart contract with us, and we would want to deploy it onto the blockchain to get it to life, be it testnet or be it mainnet. So we can use the Culp Instant deployer here, deploying the smart contract on be it Ethereum, be it Polygon, or be it any L2 EVM blockchain. So we can use the Culp Instant deployer here. Deploying the smart contract will be as simple as filling up a form. Right. So let's say we go on the Culpins and deploy. So we will be redirected. And this is where all of the smart contracts that we have already deployed will be listed. It's basically a kind of dashboard. right? So you can see these were some tokens, smart contracts that I was deploying for demo purposes. You can see the name of your smart contract, the category it belongs to, depending on your use case, the blockchain it is on, the network, and when it was created and all, right? So let's just, for a quick overview, we can deploy the smart contract. And let's say test. I just want to show you the idea, like how you can easily toggle and deploy things, right? So let's just name the smart contract, and here we can depending on the use case that we have, we can easily deploy the smart contract for us, right? Whatever you want to, like, the project depends. So on that, on the basis of that, you can select the categories. Description is all in you. And once you have uh, filled up the details, you can upload your smart contract. So currently, so yeah, so we support since whenever you're coding on Ethereum, writing the smart contracts for Ethereum or Polygon, the primary language that you use is Solidity, right? All of you here, I'm assuming, know about it. So whatever .sol file you have, you can easily browse it up and put it here on upload it here on this smart contract deploy, right? So we'll just upload it and click on continue. I think I don't have Ethereum Holski, so yeah. So you will just click on it and just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. Yeah. So since I don't have testnet tokens with me, so I am not able to, d- deploy the contract. I might be having some in, yeah. So I'll just do it one more time. So yeah, token. Let's select token as the category. Click on continue. Browse a file. The soul. Click on continue. Continue again. Wait for a couple of seconds. Yes. So yeah. So you can see within within a couple of minutes, you can see your smart contract is deployed. So it's once it is there on the blockchain, it resides in the blockchain. You don't have to worry about writing deployment scripts and all, right? It was as simple as filling up a form, and it's there on the Ethereum Sepolia network, right? So once you have deployed the smart contract, you would want to toggle. Let's say you have your front end ready, right? You have developed it. You would want to toggle and interact with it, do some transactions, right? So um, you can go to, what you can do is, we deploy the test contract, right? So we for that next, we have the API gateway. This is where your smart contracts functions that are present in it, they are reduced to endpoints, and you can easily toggle and interact with via your front end. So you can see the test contract that we deployed just now is there on the API gateway dashboard. It was a basic test contract, SCRC contract that I just wanted to show basically the idea behind it. So all of the functions you can see have been reduced to these routes where you can make your calls and toggle and interact with your um, uh, uh, interact with your smart contract via your front end, right? So that was just a brief idea of Kalp Studio that we tried to create just to make things smooth and simple for the developers. So I would want you people also to check it out, explore it, and if there are any feedbacks, things that we can change, we can integrate, I would really really love that, and we would take it constructively, integrate it with the help of my team, and come up with more amazing things depending on your feedbacks and all. So that was the idea, just to provide the developers a suite that helps in creating the decentralized application with ease. So I think that was some of the things that I wanted to show here in this workshop.
That was great. Asha, thank you very much for your detailed explanation and walkthrough. I don't know if there is any questions from the audience. You can post it on the chat, or you can also join the stage and take advantage of Asha being here to be
Yeah,
able
so
to
I
see
have
the
one of the
stream,
questions
but not
for
all of them.
Legend from Legend. So yeah, so Conflux is already in the pipeline. We are trying to add support for Conflux as well. Within a day or two, the developer team is already on it because uh, and you can see very very soon you can see the Conflux blockchain L2 blockchain on Kalp Studio as well.
That's great. We're happy to hear that. How will we know that Conflux gets integrated? Is any socials that we should follow or any groups that
That's
we should
great. That's
join?
great. So I have already shared the link for Culp Studio platform. And apart from the things that I showed you on the demo, there's so many other things that you can do, and with the help of Culp Studio. So I would really want the developers to check it out and to test it. And whatever feedbacks you have for me, I would definitely love it to convey it to my team so that we can make it customize it for you people so that we can make this thing better and develop the experience of developing things on blockchain even more fun.
That's perfect. And if anyone needs any support,
And once the Conflux blockchain has been integrated into Culp Studio, I will immediately ping you guys and you can get yourself started. Meanwhile, you can play with the platform, see things. If you have any contracts, if you want to integrate a wallet into your applications within a few clicks, you're more than welcome to test it. And whatever questions you have for me on Culp Studios part, just let's say if you are not having right now, so please feel free to ping me up and we can take it forward. And if also you would want subsequent demos and workshop around Culp Studio if you want to know you more, so we can uh, get started with it.
okay, that's perfect. Thank you very much, Asjad. It was great. So also thanks everyone in the audience for joining today, and let's hope this helps you guys over during the hackathon. And yeah, feel free to reach out to Calp Studios and Asjad if you need any help or support.